Welcome to Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe, and today we're at the local RV dealership, and we're going to be looking at a Grand Design 2300 MK. And folks, this one's got a slide, so stay tuned. Here it comes. As we have a look at this 2300 MK, we can see that it's got a very cool Grand Design signature front cap, and it looks really nice. And you can see you've got your electric jack and dual propane tanks. As we walk around, you can see that this one's got a double door, which is absolutely fantastic for a smaller RV, and it's got two doors. The front side is going to be where the bedroom is, and the back side is going to be where the bathroom and the kitchen in the middle.
Now here's a diagram of the layout. It shows you the whole layout of this RV. And I'll be adding some more specs and the details below, and you can check it out at your convenience.
The front area has this fantastic compartment. You can see that it's a through compartment, so it goes to the other side, and it's got a ton of space in here, folks. Lots of space for all your camping items. Really good design here. As we move along, you can see that it's got almost a full-length giant 20-foot electric awning, which is absolutely fantastic. As we come down, there's a compartment here, which is super cool, something that's quite unique. This is actually a garbage. So you can actually access it from the outside. So once you've filled it up, you can pull it out, and you can get rid of your garbage bin. You can really use this area for whatever you want. But this is actually a quite unique idea. Perfect system. I really like it. This trailer is running on a dual axle system with the ST225/75R15. You've got power electric drums. The suspension is the CRE 3000 and really does the job very well. As we come around back,
This is your on-demand Furrion furnace.
You've got your LED lights, a ladder that goes up to the roof, and you've got a window there, and this is where your bathroom's going to be. Well, we'll have a look at that once we get inside. And as we're looking at the other side, you can see that it's got the cabinet up front here, and that's your through storage compartment. And we'll just open that up for you so you can see it as well. And since we got the compartment open here, you can see you've got your power supply, your water connections, you've got a receptacle connection, your battery disconnect, your solar disconnect up top. So it's perfectly set up with tons of space. And like I mentioned before, this has got a slide. So once we go inside, you can have a look and see what's actually in the slide. Folks, if you're getting some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and take the time to subscribe. It's totally free. Thank you. And here you've got your gray and your black tanks. And this trailer has 4 stabilizer jacks all set up. And it's also got a back hitch for your bicycles or whatever else you're packing back there. So really nice trailer on the outside. Definitely very, very nice. But let's go have a look inside.
This RV also comes equipped with the 3-step aluminum folding steps, which are always a great option for safety and stability. And it's also equipped with a D-handle grab bar. And as we enter this RV, the first thing that you see is that you're in the actual living space. On the immediate right, you can see a countertop, and it's got 2 stools here for an eat-up eating area. Then the next thing that really caught my eye was the amount of counter space, and it was set up as an open concept living, which was really nice. It gave me the feeling that I was in a really large RV.
When you look over on the left, this is where your toilet is. So this is where your bathroom is, in the very back of your RV. You've got quite a large space here. You've got a cabinet for some storage. You've got a really nice sink and some more cabinets. And look at all that counter space you have here, folks. Absolutely awesome. The toilet is a full-size ceramic foot flush toilet, and it's on a bit of an angle, so there's tons of space. The shower is very large. Lots of space here, folks.
It also comes equipped with a large skylight, which lets in lots of natural light.
Your Maxxis air fan, and you've got your AC unit vent right up top here, and at the very bottom is where you've got your heat vent. So it'll keep your feet nice and warm when you're coming out of the shower or if you're using the bathroom. Now what I'm going to do here, folks, is I'm actually going to get in the shower so you can actually see how much space there is. I'm about 5'10", so we're going to see how much space there is in this shower. As I get in, there's lots of headroom here. The shower head is right here, so it actually works out perfect for me. Lots of room here to move around and lots of space for your arms. It's actually a slider. I really like this. So that really works well. Your control for your faucets are here. And again, lots of headroom. I really like it. You do have to kind of not hit your head here, but I think I'd probably be all right. You just have to take a step down. You've got a spot for your soap or shampoo here. You can definitely put some kind of dispenser, if you like, on the walls. But lots of space here, folks. You don't have to worry about hitting your head anywhere. You've got lots of room. And coming out of the bathroom, when you're getting ready, after you've had a shower, it's perfect. There's lots of space here. I really like this. And you've got this fantastic window here on this side, which lets in lots of light. And of course, you can close it for privacy. So good job here for sure. All right, let's move on. Now this is definitely one of my favorite spots here. This kitchen area is absolutely beautiful. Look at all the counter space you have here. And this is a fantastic touch. I really like the fact that you've got some stools here. You can just sit right up here and you can eat your meal. There isn't actually a table and chairs you can sit and eat in here, but there's definitely lots of space, lots of room. 8 cubic foot Furrion fridge. And the fridge and freezer gives you plenty of space to put all kinds of items in it. The Furrion freezer and the actual fridge has tons of space for whatever you need. And you're able to pack whatever you need for your trip. And as we have a closer look at the kitchen area here, you can see you've got your microwave up top, beautiful countertop and extension here on this side. I really like the splash guard up back here. It's really nice. You've got your double sink with plenty of space. And you've got a gigantic countertop here with lots of prep area. You've got your 3-burner cooktop and oven stove with plenty of space in here. You've got plenty of cupboard space. And you've got your entertainment and TV area, which is right across the way from your couch. So it's perfect. And the real nice thing is, it reclines. So you can actually lay down, watch TV. It's very comfortable. I absolutely love this. What a great idea. In the front of the RV, you've got your bedroom. This RV comes equipped with a full-size queen walk-around bed, which is really nice. You've got drawers right beside the bed. You've also got some cupboards. Lots of storage in here as well, which is absolutely fantastic. There's another cupboard on that side and some more drawers. I like the fact that they finished the headboard and you've got a couple of reading lights here with switches right beside the bed. You've got a little cubby here where you can place your phone, your glasses, and it's there on both sides. Absolutely perfect. You've got more storage area underneath the bed, which is absolutely great. You've got a slider here. It's kind of a drawer slider, really, but lots of space. This is great storage to have inside where you can put your luggage, odds and ends, more things you want to take with you. So it actually works really well.
Like we discussed in the very beginning of this video, this RV has 2 doors, one that accesses the kitchen right beside the bathroom, and the other one at the front of the trailer, which accesses the front bedroom, which I really like. I think this is a fantastic layout, and you don't have to walk through your RV to get to the outside. So I'll just pan around so you can have a look at the living space and the kitchen area from the bedroom side. I really find that this RV is such a great open concept living. Really makes you feel like you're in a big space. I really enjoyed walking around and doing a review on this 2300 MK by Grand Design. I would definitely consider purchasing one if I was looking for this size of trailer. Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this trailer in the comments below. Is it something that you would purchase? Is that something you would consider? And if you're interested in smaller RVs, have a look at this video and you can click on this link right here. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. We'd love to have you on board. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.